everyone. Today we are going to be revealing the May 2024 mystery subscription. So this is just such a good kit. I'm so excited to show you. But first things first is if you are looking to purchase this kit, it is no longer available, but you can check out the Buy Sell Trade group on the good old Facebook. And this art is just everything. But if you sign up next month, it'll be completely different art. It's just so good. Let's go ahead and get into it. And this is summer camp inspired art. And this was actually an idea from Kirsten. That was a great idea and it needed to happen because obviously I'm out of the summer camp age, but I just think the aesthetic, the vibes are perfection with this one. So let's go ahead and go through it. We have a new foil bundle as well, which I'm very excited about. So here are the full boxes. So you have the friendship bracelet making with the beads and also with like the string. I just love it. And then you have the canoes, you have the marshmallows, the tennis, the little friends, the outfit, the cabins, and then roasting marshmallows by the fire. And I am beyond obsessed. This is so fun. It could be very like summer, it could be spring, it could be fall. It could be any of those. I think it's perfect. It could even be winter for me because in Texas it doesn't like really snow, but you have some books here. So you have Arthur Goes to Camp and Goosebumps along with a lantern. And then you have this perfect spot for a quote box. Patterns are super cute as well. Like you could use Groovy with this. You could use the foil bundle that came with it. You could use confetti. You could use so many different things. You just have this really cute kind of like semi-flat lace. So you have like the s'mores making and then like a little camp sign. And then you do have in the ultimate a bunch of freebies. So this one here, we'll actually go through it this way. So you do have the extra color here, which is a light blue, if you want to pull that in and make it a little bit brighter, along with the doodles. And then you do have all 6 fam in this fashion option, and she's so pretty. Along with a tall box, which has like the camp sign with a bunch of different places you may go in the camp. And then over here, you do have some kiddo options as well. So you have 3 kiddos up here and then 2 kiddos by the lake. And I just think this set is just so stinking pretty. Let me go ahead and show you the foil bundle because it is a new format foil bundle. We'll be coming to shop in this foil, like the extras, along with a couple of other foils. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the new leaves bundle, which is so stunning. Beautiful, perfect, and I thought silver would be really nice with this with all the dark colors. It'll pop. So you do have this page here, which has the full boxes and the header overlays. You get 2 of those. You get 2 of the leaves underlays, which have these pretty little dainty leaves throughout. Very subtle and simple. You have your icons and script page, as well as the bottom washi, deco, date numbers, 3 fancy headers, and then the whole rainforest really kept simple because I thought this was just really beautiful, really simple, and perfect for all fall. And even honestly, I feel like it could be like spring, summer. These are very just like wispy leaves that are very dainty, and I think that they're gonna go with a lot, in my opinion. So that is the ultimate kit. I did want to mention again this month that starting, I don't remember what month it is actually. If you want to know, let me know in the comments down below. But this is going to be the new freebie format for the mini kit and ultimate kit. And then the ultimate kit is going to have like an additional, like, could be foil, could be stickers, could be something like additional to it. But this is going to be the new standard freebie. So instead of like these, well, normally it's just this. So instead of these pages, it's going to be this page plus something else. I know one of them is like a full page that has a functional sticker that I designed specifically for it in multicolor. Other ones, like there's quote boxes and all kinds of different stuff. So it's going to give me a little bit more flexibility, but sometimes there will be like extras in there. Like this month is just like an extra month. So just throwing that out there. And then this one here is the mini kit. Let's go ahead and go over this. So this one, I'll show you the main kit. So this is just like the mini kit format. So you have the full boxes, the deco, the glitter, the mini kit exclusive page that has little things and labels, along with the bottom washi. The freebie currently is the extra color and the labels. Will be soon the tall, this is just a show, it's not like this is not a kit, obviously. Tall box, 2 boxes, and the doodles, but right now it has just like the extra color and the label sampler. And then the freebie this month is like a big silver one. So you got a big silver foil matte freebie with this month. So that is the mini kit, which is our more affordable option, of course. But that is everything for the subscription, and then I'll go into the add-ons. If you want to purchase any of these, they will be available from May 1st through May 31st. I believe it's 31 days in May. So right now is like kind of last call for the April mystery add-ons. So let me go ahead and show you the add-ons for May. If you want to pick these up in shop when you place like a normal order throughout the month, there's quite a few of them. So you do have your label. You have label 2, which is that light blue color. I love the cloud pattern. You have doodle as well as doodle 2. And then there is fam. This is just in an order. So for fam, you have the tall, and then you have the kiddo boxes. So these are in, not all of them, not all the combos are in. And then this is like a regular box, but I thought this like as a tall box was so pretty because of all the details. But obviously if you have the ultimate kit, maybe you don't want to pick these up because they kind of have like similar ones in the kit. So there's that. And then you have the pattern box, which are really cute. I love this one. Ombre. And then of course you have the normal 6 scribbler options as well. And that is going to, again, be available from May 1st through May 31st. If you want to add anything on to bulk up your kit, maybe you want to make it last 2 spreads, I think it's possible. And yeah, so that's everything. I hope you like this month's mystery. I am obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Kirsten, great idea. Super cute. Never done anything like it. And yeah, that's everything for this month. And I will talk to y'all in my next video.